StealthEX is a non-custodial cryptocurrency exchange platform designed for secure, fast, and hassle-free swaps of over 400 digital assets. Its user-friendly interface makes it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced crypto traders. This comprehensive overview will walk you through how the platform works, its key features, and why it stands out in the crowded world of cryptocurrency exchanges. The platform does not require registration, meaning you can trade anonymously while maintaining full control over your funds. The process begins by selecting your preferred cryptocurrencies for swapping. For example, if you want to exchange Bitcoin for Ethereum, you simply enter the amount you want to trade and choose the desired currency. StealthEX automatically fetches the best exchange rates across various platforms to offer you the most favorable deal. This ensures transparency and efficiency, saving you time and effort in manually comparing rates. Once you've chosen a pair, you proceed by entering your wallet address for the currency you will receive. This is a crucial step, as StealthEX does not store your funds or require any custodial access. After confirming the transaction, you'll be provided with a wallet address where you need to send the funds you wish to exchange. The platform processes your transaction in real time and credits the swapped currency to your specified wallet address. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. StealthEX also supports fixed-rate transactions, allowing you to lock in the rate at the time of initiating the swap. This is particularly beneficial in the volatile crypto market, where prices can change in seconds. Another notable feature is the extensive range of supported cryptocurrencies, which includes popular coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, as well as smaller altcoins and emerging tokens. One of the standout aspects of StealthEX is its commitment to privacy. With no account or registration required, your personal information and trading activities remain completely confidential. Additionally, the platform has no upper limits on transactions, making it an attractive option for large-scale traders. If you encounter any issues during the process, StealthEX offers a dedicated support team to assist with any queries. The intuitive design of the platform ensures that even first-time users can navigate and complete transactions effortlessly. For anyone looking for a reliable, secure, and user-centric crypto exchange platform, StealthEX provides a solution that combines simplicity with advanced functionality. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more cryptocurrency guides and tutorials.